Imagine ranking not just for one keyword, but for dozens, sometimes even hundreds of related terms, all because your content dominates an entire topic. That's the power of keyword clusters for topical authority. In this topic, I'm going to show you how to group keywords strategically so that you don't just rank, you own your niche. 1. What are keyword clusters? Keyword clusters are groups of related keywords that all focus on the same core topic. Instead of creating dozens of individual pages, each targeting a single keyword, you create one comprehensive resource that covers all the related subtopics. This is called topical authority, becoming the go-to source for everything related to a specific subject. Search engines like Google love this because it shows that you're an expert on the topic. For example, instead of creating separate pages for best running shoes for beginners, top running shoes for women, running shoes for flat feet, you create a single, in-depth guide on the ultimate guide to choosing the best running shoes. This guide includes sections that answer all of these queries. 2. Why keyword clusters are critical for SEO. Search engines are getting smarter. They don't just look at keywords, they look at topics. If your site has multiple, high-quality pages covering every aspect of a topic, you're seen as an authority. Here's why keyword clusters matter. Stronger rankings. Your pages can support each other with internal links, boosting their visibility. Higher topical authority. You appear as an expert because you cover every angle of the topic. Improved user experience. Users can find everything they need in one place, which means they stay longer. Enhanced AI understanding. Search engines use natural language processing to understand content topics. A clustered structure makes it clear what your site is about. 3. How to create effective keyword clusters. To create effective keyword clusters, you need a clear strategy. Step 1. Identify your core topic. Start with a broad topic you want to dominate. This should be directly related to your business. For example, if you run a fitness blog, your core topic might be home workouts. If you run a marketing agency, your core topic could be SEO strategy. Step 2. Conduct comprehensive keyword research. Use keyword tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner to find related keywords. For a core topic like home workouts, you might find best home workouts for beginners, home workouts for weight loss, home workouts with dumbbells, no equipment home workouts. Step 3. Group keywords into logical clusters. Don't just list keywords, organize them into clusters based on intent. Beginner workouts. Best home workouts for beginners, easy home workouts. Fat loss workouts. Home workouts for weight loss, HIIT home workouts. Equipment-based workouts. Home workouts with dumbbells, resistance band workouts. Step 4. Create a pillar page and supporting content. Your pillar page is your main, comprehensive guide on the topic. This page covers the core topic in depth. Supporting pages focus on specific subtopics, each targeting a specific keyword cluster. These pages should link back to the pillar page and to each other. For example, your pillar page might be the complete guide to home workouts. Your supporting pages could be beginner home workouts, the ultimate guide, top 10 HIIT workouts for weight loss, how to use resistance bands for home workouts. Step 5. Use internal links to connect your content. Make sure all supporting pages link to your pillar page. This tells search engines that the pillar page is the main resource, and it strengthens your topical authority. 4. Practical example. A digital marketing agency. Imagine you run a digital marketing agency, and you want to build authority around SEO strategy. Your pillar page. The complete guide to SEO strategy. Supporting pages. On-page SEO. How to optimize your website. Technical SEO. Fixing errors and boosting speed. Keyword research for SEO. Step-by-step guide. How to build backlinks for SEO. Each of these supporting pages targets a specific aspect of SEO, but they all link back to the main pillar page. Another example, a travel website. Your core topic is travel planning. Your pillar page, the ultimate guide to planning your next trip. Supporting pages, oh, how to choose the best travel insurance. Oh, top 10 packing tips for travelers. Oh, how to find cheap flights online. Oh, travel safety tips for first-time travelers. 5. Analyzing keyword cluster performance. It's not enough to just create clusters, you need to monitor their performance. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to see which pages in your cluster are getting the most traffic. Are users clicking through from the pillar page to supporting pages? Which keywords are driving the most clicks? If a supporting page is underperforming, consider updating it, adding more internal links, or optimizing it with new content. 6. Avoiding common mistakes. Here's what not to do. Don't overlap topics. Make sure each supporting page has a clear focus. Avoid creating multiple pages that cover the same subtopic. Don't neglect your pillar page. It should be the most comprehensive, authoritative resource in your cluster. Don't ignore user experience. Just because you have a lot of content doesn't mean it should be cluttered. Use clear navigation. Don't forget internal linking. If your cluster pages don't link to each other, search engines won't recognize them as connected. 7. Practical tips for advanced keyword clustering. Use FAQs on your pillar page to target additional related questions. Regularly update your pillar page with new information. This keeps it fresh and relevant. Add multimedia to enhance your cluster pages. Consider user-generated content to add depth. For example, if you're building a cluster around digital marketing, you can add a section for frequently asked questions about digital marketing. This allows you to target even more related keywords. So, here's your big takeaway. Keyword clusters are the key to building topical authority. Instead of creating scattered pages that compete with each other, you create a unified structure that shows search engines you're an expert on the topic. In the next topic, we're going to take this even further with geo-specific keyword variations. You'll learn how to adapt your clusters for local search dominance. Ready? Let's keep going.